The concerned citizens marched through major marketplaces and streets in Ekpoma, sensitizing residents and passers-by that Ekpoma is peaceful following the deployment of military personnel and other security agencies to strategic locations and bushes across Esa land. They reassured the public that security has significantly improved and encourage residents and visitors to continue to live, work and carry out their daily activities without fear. The rally made a stopover at the Secretariat of Esa West Local Government, where the local government chairman, Honorable Blessing Albert Ebodagi, addressed the crowd.
The secretary people, I want to appreciate all of you who came out to the market to say you are not part of it. You will see them out, no hiding for criminals. Governor went out there on a shaky In the show of unity and support, the chairman of Esa West Local Government was joined by chairmen from Esa Central, Igwebe, and Esa Southeast Local Government areas who were on the ground to support the rally and demonstrate their solidarity with the people and the government of Edo State. Speakers during the rally also expressed their strong support for the state government, particularly in the areas of infrastructural development and security. Our governor, Senator Okpebholo, has been championing and has been in the forefront of fighting insecurity.
Ekpoma is a bulldozer and really is bulldozing everywhere. Both Benin and Esa land and all the environment is working, and God will continue to be with him.
With the women of Esa land, we are fully with you.
The participants applauded the administration of Governor Okpebholo towards sustaining and protecting Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma. They say they stand firmly behind Governor Okpebholo's administration and remain committed to peace, progress, and development in Edo State. William Siama, ITV News.